In this section, we're going to talk about our logarithm laws. So the first example says to condense log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of y to the fifth minus log base 3 of z. Now, there were some shorter examples in your notes, in your packet, that you can go back and look at. I'm jumping to the more difficult ones here for our video. But we have several rules which are also written down for you. And they may be written a little bit different like what I'm going to do here, but this is how I do it. If you've got log base b of m plus log base b of n, that's the same thing as log base b of m times n. If you're adding, they condense to be multiplication. And then vice versa. If you're multiplying, then it would separate, expand, to be addition. With subtraction, log base b of m minus log base b of n, you divide. Log base b of m divided by n. And then the other rule we need to know here is a nice one that helps us get rid of exponents. If you have log base b of m to the p, you can bring your p out front. You can bring the exponent out front and multiply now p times log base b of n. So let's look at our example. When you do these, you want to step by step do things one at a time, okay? Don't try to do it all at once. You'll end up messing up. So starting with we're probably not going to use that last rule here because we want to keep the 5 on the y. But so starting with our first two terms that we're adding so we can multiply. So we'll have log base 3 of x times y to the fifth. And now that we've got subtraction, we divide. It'll be this divided by z. So log base 3 of xy to the fifth divided by z. Again, do one step at a time, and that'll help you get through these. If we want to condense this one we are going to need that rule where p times log base b of m is the same as log base b of m to the p, because we have a number out front that we can put onto the exponent. So we'll have log of a cubed. And then we have subtraction between our first two terms, so we'll divide. Log of a cubed divided by b. And then we have addition, yes, except log and natural log are not the same thing. Log is log base 10, natural log is log base e. So we can't combine those. And then this one we're going to expand. So you can either start by expanding by putting the 4 on the exponent and distributing, or let's do it that way. So we'll have the 4 is going to go on the exponent for all of this. So log of xy over z to the fourth. Now what that means is log of x to the fourth times y to the fourth over z to the fourth. Now you want to deal with division and subtraction before multiplication. So we'll have log of x to the fourth, y to the fourth, and division expands into subtraction. So log of z to the fourth. And then deal with the multiplication here that goes into addition, expands into addition. So log of x to the fourth plus log of y to the fourth, and then we have our minus log of z to the fourth. Now we can bring all these exponents back out front. So 4 log of x plus 4 log of y minus 4 log of z.